Hey guys, Keith Frainville here at the CBDstore.com. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Bee's Knees CBD oil and tinctures that we have to offer at the CBDstore.com. So here's what we're going to tell you today, a little bit about this product, and this is a product that I actually frequently use. This is a 200 milligram bottle. Now you can see the nice yellow tint on that oil. The nice thing about the Bee's Knees CBD oil is it only has 2 ingredients. Okay, any good CBD oil should have just 3 ingredients or less. It's a carrier, which we use coconut oil, CBD of course, and either a vitamin or a flavor, which they do not use. They only use 2 ingredients in their product, so CBD oil and coconut oil, very simply. So you're getting the maximum amount of product for your dollar. Now, the 200 milligram bottle is 1 full dropper is 20 milligrams of CBD. So that's very important. And this is $22 on the website. And the 600 milligram bottle, 1 full dropper on this bottle, is again 20 milligrams of CBD. And this is $50 on the website. And then we have our 600 milligram bottle again, but we have a mint flavored added to this one. Okay, and each full dropper on this one again is 20 milligrams. Now we start getting a little bit higher in concentrate. We've got a 1200 milligram bottle, and this one here has no THC in it. Again, CBD oil and coconut oil. This bottle here is an amazing $80, and each full dropper on this bottle is 40 milligrams. And then we have our real high dose concentrate, our 3000 milligram bottle, for just $170, and each full dropper on this bottle is 100 milligrams of CBD. So it's extremely important, folks, that you get the right concentrate. And the best way to pick out the right concentrate for you is how long the bottle will last for you. Again, CBD is measured and taken based on milligrams, just like you would prescription medication is based on milligrams. So let's say if you are doing 30 milligrams per day, the 3000 milligram bottle, for instance, will last you 100 days. Okay, so you just simply divide your amount of milligrams that you're taking per day divided by the amount of milligrams that's on the bottle, and that will give you how many days you'll get out of each in particular bottle. Okay, guys, so the prices with Bee's Knees is very competitive. Compare them please to Green Roads, Blue Botanicals, or CTFO, or Hempworks for that matter. The prices are about 25 to 30% cheaper, and the product is definitely superior, and let me tell you why. So a company like Bee's Knees is a small manufacturer out in Pueblo, Colorado, who actually clones their plants and uses the same fertile ground every single time they plant and harvest. Okay, now clone plant is very important because you get the same consistency of the product. And they're giving it to you for a tremendous value. When you compare the prices, you'll see. So the other thing that I wanted to mention is that not only do you get a superior product. Again, it's so important that those products are now, because they're using the same plant to clone the plants and plant and harvest them. You're getting that consistency. Where with companies like Green Roads and the other big companies, they're buying hemp from all over the world, all over the country, sometimes out of the world, but the quality and the dirt in Kentucky is not the same ground in Indiana. So the hemp is always inconsistent, okay? And they're not cloning the plants like Bee's Knees is. So in reviewing this product, we choose to have this on our store because it is a top quality product. The value that the customer gets is just incredible. The results that we see, now let's just give you, I mean, if we weren't seeing results with this product, we wouldn't carry it because there's so many out there to carry. This is our lead product. We absolutely love our partnership with Bee's Knees. and we're able to offer it at a great price, my friends. 10% off our already low prices and free shipping all the time at the CBDstore.com, my friends. So listen, grab the promo code here at the bottom of the video, promo code 10OFF, and again, CBDSstore.com, and take advantage of our free shipping. Guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel.